Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start inside the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Tap the profile icon at the top right to reveal account options. This ensures you're editing the right account's history. Once done, choose Settings and then Personal Content so you can manage search and location data. Make sure Maps is fully updated in the App Store to avoid menu differences. If you see multiple accounts, switch to the one with the history you want to delete before moving to the next slide. Now navigate to Personal Content and scroll to search History or View and Delete Activity. You can remove single items by swiping left and tapping Delete, which is quick for recent entries. For many entries, tap Manage Activity or Delete Activity to pick a date range or choose All Time to clear everything. Make sure to confirm prompts. Google sometimes asks to verify before removing bulk data. Remember that deleting search entry finish by clearing location history and timeline if you want GPS-based place records removed. Open Timeline, tap Settings, then delete all location history or delete by date. Once done, sign out and back into the Maps app or restart your iPhone if changes don't show up. This forces a sync. If entries still reappear, visit Google My Activity on a browser to confirm deletions and ensure another device or app isn't resaving searches. That troubleshooting step usually resolves sync-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.